Okay, let's start with problem two. So basically, problem two is a prop is like something that we have three currency now. One is Japanese yen, is and Malaysia the currency, and then Indonesia currency. So so in order to calculate, first of all, we need to change all of this currency into U.S. dollar. So it's like for Japanese yen, we have 9.6 million. So in order to, in order to further calculation, I just standardize all units. So let's go with this. Japanese yen is equal to, sorry, is equal to 9,600,000 US dollar. This is what this is. Indonesia currency is like a one. It should be like 1,680 K US dollar, and this similar 5,600 K US dollar, and then we goes to something here. This is graph of what it goes like. So it doesn't really matter. Really matter is something like this. So first of all, so basically like this. See, as you can probably see here. Oh, hold on. This place has a problem. It should not be. It should be like 166 16. It should like 1680. It doesn't matter. I will change. I will correct this one later. You can see that consider it as a typo. So basically like this. So the money will goes out from these three knots again, Indonesian currency and Malaysian currency by such, and also we have a Canadian dollar, euro, pound, peso, and finally we will hope it turns to US dollar. So US dollar here is be minusing, and as you can see that this three government has a strict control of the Japanese government, Indonesian government, the Malaysian government. Strict control of the currency has its limit, as I mentioned here. Due to the limit of space, I did not mark the cost, which is in percent here. So it's like this. It has limit. It shows all here, but that's what you can see for Canadian dollar, euro, pound, and peso. No limits. Really no limits. Just very simple, but too complicated to miss. Okay. Let's go with the. Let's go to 2A. 2A says that use IBM to show how much money can we get. So this is the answer, and I will tell. So the total cost we spend on the roll is like 83.38 thousand US dollar we'll be spending for transfer all of them to to the currency to the US dollar. This is how it goes. Problem 2A. Model, sorry. So the model here is the same as we used in previous homework. The only thing we need to do is check the data. So I just, each node, we have 8 nodes here, yen, rupiah, this currency that matter, US dollar, Canadian dollar, something. And we need to add some echo. For this structure, you can see, so this is zero. This is spent, this part is the cost off here, from here to here, and this is the amount limited for those three. And now, as you can see here, for this part, the government does not have an amount limit, so I just use a rather big number to represent no limits. So let's go with here, just this, and then just run this. Make up the answer. Here it is. Now let's go with the 2C part. 2C part is that what is it? Oh, 2C part says if the limit goes out, what is about? Well, this is 2B part. This is the cost, so we just use the amount minus cost. This will be the final money amount we transfer to US dollar. So this is the for if the limit was canceled, this is the cost we're spending. So let's go to the IBM. So rather simple here. just this one changed. So due to the limit is eliminated, so I just replace, you see here. So this number just replaced by this huge number, so midcom. So here's run this program, and here the things shows up. It's 67.48, and here is the money we can get. Now let's go with the 2D. 2D says that if, as the WHO or WTO required that the currency transfer limit is canceled, but in order to protect their currency, the Indonesian government just increased by 500% to their spending transferring costs on their currency. So basically, what we do here, so we increased by 500%, which means now the cost is the 6 times of its originally one. So it's like this. It's here. Also the data. So it's just here. As you can see here, this part. Which one? Indonesia. Oh, here. This part. So Indonesian part goes rather high here. Indonesia. And let's run the system. So here's the answer, 92.68. So we just use the amount minus this cost. This is the final we get. And the problem is talk about what else do we need to consider. I would probably say that maybe, for some countries' currency to the US dollar is a flexible currency transfer rate. Perhaps if you transfer too much money, the market will have this turbulence, and also maybe in the market lack of a currency, you may not get enough US dollar or something else. F is a link. I will update that later.